What's up guys, it's Sarah X. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to LA this weekend. Basically my friend Paul from San Francisco and some of his friends, also my friend Quentin who lives in LA now, are doing this whole LA weekend trip, specifically because there's a lot of Pride events going on, and so there's gonna be a lot of celebrations. But Angela and I decided to just go to LA for the weekend as well. We're gonna be staying with them. We booked the Warner Brothers studio tour, which I did with my family as a kid, and I loved it. It's been a while. And it was actually cheaper than I thought. It was only $69 per ticket. Other than that, we have just like a massive list and we're just gonna see what we're feeling at the time. Let's freaking do it. It's been a year since I've been to LA. Don't think I would ever live there, but I do enjoy visiting. I'm excited, and it's gonna be 85 and sunny all weekend. I'm a little scared because that is hot. So I packed a lot of sunscreen. I packed a lot of dresses. We're rolling with a Zara top, Zara jeans. This is gonna be the casual car outfit. Only bringing a duffel bag and a normal bag, which I think is pretty good. We've arrived. We're in Inglewood. This is the Inglewood situation. This freaking gate's locked. We don't have the key, but this seems doable. You got this.
I got this. I got this.
Oh my god, that was so easy. Look at that.
Oh wow.
Amazing. Here we are. Okay. It has potential. It smells new. Okay, we have, I think, the master that's already been claimed. Okay, we've come upstairs. We have this random powder room. And what is in here? Oh, a balcony. Whoa. It's really hot in here though, I will say. We have another bathroom. Got some washer and dryer. Another cute little bathroom. We have this whole sitting area situation. I really like the yellow couch. Whoa. Look at this. It's like hot as balls, but ooh. But look at this wall and this couch.
That's so cute. The kitchen is so cute.
Right?
Like this is how I want my kitchen to look.
And look how it's set like a freaking.
Okay, well it's hot because it's set at 85 degrees.
What? Why?
Like, you're turning this shit down.
This is cute though. What's up? What's up, Paul?
Where?
Haven't seen you since we had COVID over Christmas.
Yeah?
Hello.
How are you?
Doheny at Selling Sunset. It's so pretty. We're gonna go to bed early since we have that Warner Brothers tour tomorrow. I will see y'all in the morning. Good morning. It's almost time for us to leave for the Warner Brothers studio tour, which is, I think, about a 40-minute drive from here. Like, LA is so spread out. It looks super close on the map, but I think it's like a 40-minute drive. We're just gonna grab like a very cheap and expensive breakfast because last night's dinner was kind of pricey. So we gotta dial it down today. I'm wearing this dress, which I got from American Eagle like last year, and I just really like the color, and it's gonna be hot today. We're both wearing dresses. It's a first. This doesn't usually happen, but it is our style.
Let's get on the road.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks.
A kiss is just a kiss.
Cause baby, in your absence,
Got that front row seat.
so I'll never leave.
Just enough room to hang out behind the door, maybe have our set dressers come in, put a table, some family photos. Right now though, we're driving down Warner Village, set for the show The Sex Lives of College Girls. And Mona's front of her house.
It's easier to love.
We are looking at one of our fuller houses.
what I figured.
Looks this and looks like
It's you by my side, shining through
Batman series.
first morning light.
25 has this big plaque. It lists a number of productions that have been in there.
Cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child.
This is literally like my recline.
It's so comfy.
Yeah, this is really comfy.
Arms as
I wonder if this is the actual.
Probably not.
Like some AirPods in the seats.
oh, easier to love.
This is a Monica costume. We got a Ross and Rachel costume. The colors just look so vibrant.
And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay.
This should be like your
Hold up.
It's easier to love when it's you by my side.
Okay, we're done. Can we like move this? Oh no, we can't.
literally glued.
Wow.
Living like a child through the days and the night.
We're in line at Central Park, but we're not actually getting anything. We're just kind of chilling in line.
It's easier to love.
And with Daniel, there was never any question with their Zach.
I think this is like casting. They're like narrowing down. Yeah, it's casting.
Sky is falling down on me.
Oh, A Star is Born.
Oh, Mars Attack. Crazy Rich Asians.
So
If I find myself in reckless, you'll be the one to pull me back. Nothing like your smile in the morning.
Oh, Elizabeth Taylor.
Following the linings.
This is like back in the day. Oh, My Fair Lady.
Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring. So I'll never leave. It's easier to love. It's easy.
Oh, Joker costume. What secrets does he have?
I love the layered look.
Right? Batmobile. That looks so real. Aquaman's trident. We're actually allowed to touch. This is like his actual trident. The Mirage map. That may look a little scary. Oh, the pillow's real. Everything else is like stuck. Chilling with Dobby.
Have you taken the online quiz before? I have. What'd you get there? I want to see if it's accurate. He's trying to cheat.
There's nothing hidden in your head the sorting hat can't see. Honorable to the core. A head like yours is a joy to see. Hufflepuff!
1, 2, 3.
You have a love of learning. With a brain like yours, it has to be Ravenclaw! Slytherin!
Cause bitch,
Spotting some mandrakes.
You know,
Everything's stuck, but... Oh, wait! I actually was not expecting that. Dasher's standard ingredients. Where's the one? This?
It's on the bottom of the book.
Oh.
Yep.
Is that good?
I don't know, we'll see.
Yeah! What's going on over here, Hufflepuff? Oh. No, you didn't do it right. Newt's shed. It is legit.
this is actually what they wear.
Oh my gosh, just finished Warner Brothers. It was so cool. Loved the Friends and Harry Potter stuff. And now we're getting lunch with someone who Angela went to college with, and who's now an actor, and then one of his friends. At a local restaurant that locals go to. What's it called?
Grandmasters.
Grandmasters. It's hot. Guys, we found Ava in LA. I'm dying. It's like literally the same apartment. Some random stars.
At the Popo department.
It's so small, but it's there. Yeah, this is a vibe. Is it good? Oh, whoa. Ooh, mine tastes really good. Mine tastes like ice cream. Do you want to try it? Look at this staircase, y'all. This is the YSL staircase. It's very bougie. I do not belong. Wow. We're in the Saint Laurent bathroom. We got marble walls. It smells amazing. Look at the struggle. It doesn't sit on my nose. It squishes it. This is not inclusive. This one I like. Speaking of sunglasses, I got some cool ones recently that I wanted to show you. It's from the brand Fytoo. It's funny because the logo is like sunglasses or glasses. They also make prescription glasses, FYI. Their stuff is pretty cheap, so I wanted to show you because I really love a big pair of sunglasses that sits on my nose properly, and this is pair number 1. It is like, this is my favorite shape of sunglass, and look, it sits on my nose bridge. Actually, it's not like crushing my nose. Like a lot of these will be like that, but these actually sit, and I love that. This one I also enjoy. It's more of a rounder shape, but it's still large, which is why I just feel like it fits my face shape. And I like the color. It kind of has a little bit of a different, like, is it orange tint? And then the outside is like clear purple-ish. And then the third one, let me know what y'all think. I feel like this one I didn't like as much on my face. I think it might be the bottom part, how it doesn't go all the way around. I do like the tortoiseshell pattern. Let's see. Oh, maybe it doesn't look that bad. I feel like it doesn't look as good as the other two, but it still could be a vibe. So yeah, if you want to check out some sunglasses, check out Fytoo. These ones sit on my nose bridge, and that is a struggle for me, so I appreciate this. Back to LA. Love this dress. Okay, so I did some Goodwill shopping when I was in LA because I was just getting the sense that the LA thrift stores, and we went to one kind of by Beverly Hills, would be slightly poppin', and I got some really cool stuff. First thing that I found is this Everlane. I love thrifting Everlane. I don't think I've ever actually bought from the store. This is just kind of like a boxy, light, flowy, tan, striped cover-up, button-up thing. It's definitely oversized because this is a size small and it fits a bit larger. Then I found this Brandy and Melville sweater cardigan, and this honestly seems like something that would still be in the store like right now. And it is this gray long sleeve sweater cardigan, which would be cute with just a tank top, but also just kind of like buttoned with one of the buttons, you know, in the front done. Oh wait, okay, so this one, the Everlane one, was $8.99, and then this one was $6.99. I've been running a lot recently with my friend Angela. I realized I didn't really have a lot of running shorts that I liked, but I was able to find some at the thrift store. I got this pair of Nike running shorts. I really liked the pink and turquoise colorway. Kind of out there, but I enjoy it. $9.99. I found this pair of loungewear shorts, which is like what I live in these days. It is the brand Allura Lounge, which I looked up and seemed pretty legit. I really like this color. It's like a light blue, very like pale blue color. It has pockets, it's a good length, and it has the drawstrings. This was $5.99. Found another Brandy item. I was very hyped about this one. John Galt. Again, this seems like something that would be sold today. And this is actually like extremely thick. Like I really like the material. It's like a worn in, almost vintagey long sleeve material. It just says New York embroidered and it's like slightly cropped. I love stuff like this. I'm gonna be wearing this all the time. This was $6.99. Then I got another pair of Nike running shorts. These ones I'm really hype about because they're a classic black color and that's gonna go with way more than the pink one. $7.99. The last thing that I got was this Zara sweater. It's like this green color. It's super thick and soft and I really like the zipper. I dig that circle zipper. Here's the label. It's kind of like a really deep cowl neck, but I thought this would be cute to layer over a tank top. And also the sleeves are kind of balloon and this was only $6.99. Hello. It is Sunday. We're heading to Manhattan Beach, which we both haven't been to before. So we're gonna get some brunch, maybe do some shopping and look at the beach.
Yes, I waited and baby I've been blue. Each night I prayed for someone like you. Why should we spend money on a shove or two? No one does those love scenes exactly like you. You make me feel